outer box display. Today, we're unboxing and testing the elejoy V2H. Let's get started. Inside the package are several accessory boxes. We take out the accessory boxes one by one. Accessory box 1. Accessory box 2. And the waterproof outlet kit. Under the accessories is the elejoy V2H main unit. Remove the top box and foam to reveal the main unit. It's a large unit. Here's everything included with the elejoy V2H. Let's open box 1 first. Inside is a 5-meter NAX cable. Then there is another one and a spare charger. Now let's open box 2. This is the one for 5OS's 2 adapter cable. Used to connect V2H and our waterproof socket. Then there is a bracket for NAX gun line to hang our Tesla gun wire. Here's the waterproof outlet. All accessories are now on the table. First, the waterproof junction box. Next, the Tesla cable bracket. This small charger powers the internal auxiliary battery. Here are the mounting brackets and screws. This adapter cable connects the junction box to the V2H unit. This 5-meter NAX cable connects the V2H to the vehicle. Documentation is also included. You get a manual quick guide and unboxing guide. And this orange unit is the elejoy V2H. Since it ships long distance, we should inspect it on arrival. Gently shake the unit. No rattling means no major shipping damage. Now let's go over the operation steps. First, open the access door. Lift the handle and rotate it 90 degrees. Some resistance is normal because of the waterproof seal. Then pull the door open. The white unit in the center is the auxiliary battery. On both sides are the input and output breakers. The metal button in the center is the power button. Let's power it on. One beep means the signal is recognized. When the screen lights up, the unit is operating normally. OK, cut and remove the zip ties securing the battery and breakers. The battery uses a magnetic mount and stays attached to the housing. Okay, the unboxing inspection is complete. First, power off the unit. Press the button. 2 beeps confirm shutdown. Then close the door. Before installation, test compatibility with your vehicle first. Let's begin the test. Use the 5-meter NACS cable for the test. One end connects to the V2H. The other to the vehicle. There are 5 connectors on the bottom of the unit. Connector 1 is for the NACS cable. OK, we aim in the direction. Access. Plug it in and twist to lock. OK, so our V2H gun line is connected. Connector 2 is a spare waterproof output port. This is an alternate output connection port. The middle socket is the 1450 port for backup power connection. These are two 120 volts NEMA 5-20 outlets for appliances. Users can use electrical appliances directly on this. Then the function of this empty waterproof socket is to say that for harsh outdoor setups, you can connect wiring directly for better waterproofing. Now let's continue the test. First, we connect the NACS gun wires to the vehicle. Well, first make sure that the circuit breakers are turned on. Power on the elejoy V2H. Close the hatch. Wait 3-5 seconds for the connection to be successful. OK, it has been connected successfully. For example, fans, hair dryers, and kettles are OK. Now test with a small load, like this 120 volts fan. Plug it in and turn it on. We plug it into the 5-20 interface socket. OK, let's turn on the fan. This confirms the V2H is operating normally with the vehicle. Okay, then we turn off the V2H host. Open the hatch. Press the shutdown button. When finished, power down the unit, unplug the cable. You can now schedule a licensed electrician to mount the unit on the wall.